Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Doesn't Matter. Today I'm going to show how to replace the broken handle on the Samsung microwave. Recently my handle broken in my Samsung microwave. So if you just hold your finger from down, you can see the model from here. ME16K3000A3. Yeah, this is the model. I'm going to show you how to replace this handle. This I purchased from Amazon. So you can see the model and everything here. And also I will share the link in the description. Once you open the microwave, you can see a screw here, and the another screw is hiding behind this cover. So once we remove the screw, and then we have to remove this plastic panel, the seal panel, and then you can see the next screw here. I can remove that. I'll show you. So this is the door. I'm going to remove the screw from here and then remove the panel and then replace the handle. So this is the handle. I got plastic. Yeah, to hold the other side because the screws keep on spinning. Yeah, it's a normal screw. Now the hardest part comes into the picture. We have to remove this the screw. Are you able to see? It's here. Yeah, everything is black. It's really hard to show. Let me put it back. That's it. Cool. We have a new handle. So this is how we have to replace the handle for the Samsung microwave. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you. Bye.